Welcome to house plan. In this video, I will show you 30 by 42 side dimension. Side facing is north. Number of floor is 1 floor, ground floor plan. And main door entrance is east facing. Length of site is 42 feet. Width of site is 30 feet. Feet width gate is provided for entrance. This is passage of 4 feet 9 inch along the length of site. Okay, this is main door entrance provided towards east facing. This is living room of width is 22 feet 9 inch and depth is 9 feet 6 inch. Okay, this is sometimes living room come storage, seasonal storage. Here we'll store the material sometimes seasonally. Okay, this is dining area. This is dining area of 10 feet 9 inch by 14 feet 3 inch. This length is 10 feet 9 inch from here to here 14 feet 3 inch. Okay. This is kitchen. Entrance is provided here. Kitchen area 10 feet 9 inch by 9 feet. Small here we have a small puja room 3 feet by 3 feet. This is master bedroom, width of 10 feet 8 inch by 9 feet. For master bedroom we have attached toilet of 4 feet by 4.5 feet, 4 feet by 4.5 feet. Also here in attached to living and dining area have one common toilet of 4 feet by 4.5 feet. This is another bedroom for 10 feet by 8 inch by 9 feet. We have this is corner side. We have two side roads towards north and west. Terrace access staircase is provided 6 feet width. Total width of stair. First flight width is 3 feet and second flight width is 3 feet. Width of step is 9 feet and riser. This riser is height of step is 6 inch. Thank you for the watching video. Please subscribe to channel.